Mr. Rooster and Friends. Once upon a time, there lived a rooster, a cow, a goat, a duck, and a cat. Mr. Rooster liked to cook. One day, he wanted to cook porridge. But there were not enough ingredients. Mr. Rooster did not have onions, carrots, mushrooms, and potatoes. So he asked from his friend, Mrs. Moo.
Do you have carrots, onions, mushrooms, or potatoes?
I have carrots.
Then he asked from Mr. Goat.
Do you have onions, mushrooms, or potatoes?
I have onions.
He also asked from the cat, Miss Kitty.
Do you have mushrooms or potatoes?
I have mushrooms.
Lastly, he asked from the duck, Miss Daisy.
Do you have potatoes?
Yes, I have potatoes.
Mr. Rooster was very happy. He took the ingredients and went back home. Then he started to cook the porridge. After Mr. Rooster finished cooking, he invited his friends to enjoy the food.
Hey everybody, I have cooked the porridge.
Mr. Rooster and his friends washed their hands before they ate the porridge. Then they ate the porridge together.
Let's eat together.
It smells so good.
Wow, it is tasty.
After they finished the porridge, Mr. Rooster made lemon juice and cake for his friends.
Let's eat the cake and drink the juice.
The cake is sweet.
The lemon juice is sour.
They thanked Mr. Rooster for the lunch treat. It was a wonderful day for them.